buried by time, forgotten by the world. But legends never die. This isn't wear and tear. This is decades of decay. One pull, years of silence, broken,
abandoned inside. Nature moved in. Abandoned inside. Nature moved in.
This engine didn't just stop, it surrendered.
Every lift point checked, no mistakes, one shot.
And just like that, it breathes again. Precision matters. One slip, it's over.
The comeback starts now.
From junkyard to operating room. It's worse than it looks, but it's not beyond saving.
Document everything. This is the blueprint of the rebuild. Even a millimeter off changes everything. Leaks everywhere. This car is bleeding out.
Under all this mess, the real damage shows.
This engine didn't just fail, it's destroyed inside.
Solid, weak, gone. No shortcuts here.
Every color, a decision. Every mark, a plan.
This isn't just a rebuild, it's a resurrection plan.
Every bolt matters. Lose nothing, miss nothing.
When tools fail, fire takes over. Fragile, but still salvageable. Decades-old seal, cut like butter. Years of rust defeated in seconds. Piece by piece, the past comes apart. No guessing later, everything gets mapped. This fuel hasn't burned in years, now it's gone. Every part removed, one step closer to rebirth. Pressure builds, then everything gives. Control the system, or it controls you. No precision left, we rebuild it all. One lift, thousands of kilos, no room for error. The heart is out, now the real work begins. Burnt, worn, pushed past its limits. Years of filth erased in seconds. Chaos turned into control. Strip it down to its purest form. Cut out the damage, no mercy.
This isn't cleaning. This is uncovering the truth.
Every layer removed brings it closer to life. Goodbye rust, hello raw metal. If it's weak, it goes. Rebuilt, stronger than factory. Back to perfect, down to the millimeter. Every gap sealed, every weakness gone. From rust to reborn, and this is just the beginning. Back to perfect, down to the millimeter. No trace left behind. Nothing hidden anymore. Just raw truth. Under the grime, there's still life. Decades stuck, gone in seconds. Now we control every angle. Now it's protected. Ready for rebirth. This isn't just restored. This is reborn perfection.